Good morning everyone. Welcome to video lecture series of Acropolis Institute of Technology and Research. I am Sanjana Sharma, Assistant Professor in IT Department of Acropolis Institute of Technology and Research. So today our topic is the topology. Okay, if you are familiar with the terms or with the computer network, so you can easily grab this topic. So firstly, topology. So uh, before discussing the topology, we are discuss about the computer network. What is a computer network? So in all the interconnected devices that are used to communication, it is known as a network. Okay, so all computer devices or all the like a printer, like a system, like a servers, all connected to each other for communication, it's known as a computer network. So how the system can connect to each other? Okay, so we will discuss these concern or these problem in a topology. Okay, so uh, what is a topology? So simply structures. Okay, what is a structure? We can connect to two system or more than two system or our network with the different types of structures, physical arrangements. Okay, so what is a topology? Simply a physical arrangement of systems of our networks. It is a topology. So there are different types of multiple types of topologies here. Okay, simply there are, we can say there are two types of topology. First is the physical topology and the logical topology. Okay, so actual physical layout of a cable and devices. Okay, I discussed actual physical layout of cable and devices. It describes the way devices are physically connected is a topology, physical topology. Okay, simply a layout of a cable and devices is known as a physical topology. Now, so what is a logical topology? The way data flows through the network regardless of the physical arrangement. So it describes the communication path between the devices. It known as a logical topology. Okay, so data flow through the network. How the data flows through the network with the help of a physical arrangement is known as a logical topology. Okay, got it? So there are some common topologies. There are we can say there are five types of basically five types of topology here in computer network. So bus, star, ring, tree, hybrid, mesh. There are different types of topology. Okay, so some common topology are bus. Firstly is the bus topology. So how can we describe the bus topology? Simply, if our device are connected with a single cable. Okay, if our device are connected with the help of a single cable, it known as a bus topology. Okay, simply it's some security, it has some security issue because the data flows by a broadcasting. If one system share our data, our messages, it flows by a flows to broadcast the all the systems. Okay, so this is a bus topology. Now star. So this diagram we can this diagram is defined to the star topology. Centralized control. Okay, centralized control is used in star topology. It may be a hub or it may be a switch. Okay, if all the control axis are conducted by a single device like a hub or a switch, it known as a star topology. Okay, so every devices or every systems or devices are connected by a hub or via center devices, center control. Okay, so what are the main disadvantages in the star topology? Okay, so if a hub are disrupted, or we can, if switch are disrupted, so whole the system are disrupted or discarded. Okay, because it is based on a single devices, so that are the main disadvantage be in a star topology. Okay, it's also a broadcast or maybe a unicast. Okay, so next is a ring topology. So what is a ring topology? Simply two device we can describe like this. Okay, ring topology. So two device can connect with their neighbors. Okay, it may be with the we can say right neighbors and left neighbors. Okay, so if device are connected by their irrespective or interconnected or their connected neighbors or connected or their respective devices. Okay, so it is a ring topology. Simply it may its shape like a ring, and system are connected system are arranged by in a round or a ring type structures, but a single system are connected with their neighbors. Okay, so what was the main disadvantage of a ring? Okay, if the single cable or disconnected or disrupted or corrupted, then we cannot not flow our data to our neighbors. Okay, so because it is a single connection, point to point connection between the two devices. Okay, so it is a ring topology. So where we discussed about the bus topology, star topology and ring topology. uh, I can describe in short. Bus our devices are connected with a single cable, that known as a bus topology. Okay, it has less security. Okay, say if a single cable are disrupted or discarded, so whole network can be disrupted. Okay, so next is the star topology. Centralized control maybe occur, it should be occur. All the systems are connected to connected by a single hub or switches. So it is a star topology. Now ring topology, it is the structure like a ring, round shape, and all the systems are connected with their neighbors. Okay, with their neighbor systems. Now next topology, it is some expensive topology and some efficient topology. Okay, each system are connected with all the remaining systems in mesh topology. Okay, it may be redundancy. Okay, it is highly reliable. Okay, mesh topology is highly reliable, scalable. So best topology in our high data flow or in our secure network, in our confidential, if we want to flow, we want to share our confidential data, so we have to choose mesh topology. Okay, so all the system are connected with remaining all system. Single system are connected all other systems. Okay, so suppose for example, if we have two five systems that we have to connect to each other, so the one system are all them connected to all of the remaining four systems. Okay, so it is a mesh topology. Tree topology, so simply a combination of a bus and star topology built to the tree topology. Okay, combination of a star and bus topology is tree topology. Okay, this is a hierarchical structure, definitely scalable and easy management. Okay, centralized control allow for efficient network administration, so it is easily managed by the administrator. Now Next is the hybrid topology. So the combination of more than two topology, it makes a hybrid topology. Okay, combines the advantage of the different topologies to optimize the performance and reliability. So mostly wide area networks created the hybrid topology. Okay, for example, Starbus is the combinations that create the hybrid topology. It should be a star bus topology, combination of a star bus, combination of a star ring topology, combination of a star tray and a mesh topology. Okay, so it's all the topologies that we discussed. Now, how can we choose the right topology? That are the parameters. With the help of this, we can choose our topology that we have to use. Okay, first topology should be scalable. Okay, it is a secure. Should be secure. The data transmission speed and efficiency would be great. Okay, and cost, budget and complexity of a setup, so cost should be a minimize. Okay, so we can choose our right topology with the help of these parameter. In future we the scientists are continuously work in it and try to invent the combination of topologies, and that should be a more effective and more secure. Okay, so that's all. It is a description of topology. I hope you all are understand very well. So topologies, do practice, and best of luck for your future. Okay, thank you.